Love me. Happy Father's Day. Ito, record ako ngayon ng kanta na to. Dedicated ko sa yung dalawa ni Nanak. Maraming salamat dun sa message. Kasi masaya ako at parang sasabog yung dibdib ko sa sobrang saya. I love you, me. Alaman ko kayo ni Mimay. Title itong kantang to ay The Only Exception by Paramore. Younger, I saw my daddy cried and cursed at the wind. He broke his own heart, and I've watched as he tried to reassemble it. And my mama's love, she would never let herself forget. That was the day that I promised I'd never sing of love if it does not exist. But darling, you are the only exception. 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 Somewhere deep in my soul that love never lasts. We've got to find other ways to make it alone and keep a straight face. And I've always lived like this, keeping it comfortable distance. And up until now I sworn to myself that I'm content with loneliness, because none of it was ever worth the risk. You are the only exception. 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 I've got a tight grip of reality, but I can't let go of what's in front of me here. I know you're living in the morning when you wake up. Leave me with some kind of proof it's not a dream. You are the only exception. 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 You are the only exception.